Hi friends, this is Samrit. Today I am going to show you how to clean your DSLR in your home. This is my DSLR. I am using here Nikon D5300. This is DX sensor camera, and I am using these tools. This is air blower, and this is the liquid solution. You will get all these things in Amazon or Flipkart. This is brush. This is clean cloth. Make sure when you are cleaning your DSLR, make sure your room is closed. Avoid to use your fan or AC, so dust can be come in your sensor. Now I am unmount the lens. This is the camera mount. First I am using the air blower for the dust removing, like this. This is very sensitive. Inside there is a sensor, so don't touch the sensor, just use the air blower. Very careful, dust can become in your sensor. So when you are cleaning, make sure your room is closed, your fan is off, so it will be helpful for you. And this is also safety issue for your DSLR. Now I am close this sensor and I am taking some solution to the clothes. Very little, not too much, don't take too much. It's chemical, so it can be, if you use too much, it can be effect. Now I am cleaning the mount. This is metal mount. Very careful, this all is very sensitive. Like this you have to clean nicely. When you are cleaning, clean with your gloves. So this camera also is very expensive, and this all parts is expensive. So when you are cleaning, clean like this. This is the cap for the closing your mount. It also should be clean. Now I'm attaching it. I keep it on its side. This is the body. I'm cleaning the body with the brushes. With the brush. This is the tripod mount. This is viewfinder cap, eye cap. Just pull it out using air blower and brushes. This is also very sensitive. This is called eyepiece. So it's protect your viewfinder. Now I am reattaching this viewfinder cap. Yes, a stuck sound will come. That means perfectly set. Now clean with the dry cloths. This is the battery compound. I removed already battery before using brush for this battery compound. Using air blower after that. When you are using air blower, so that time your open side should be down, because dust easily can come out. And this is rotated screen. I am cleaning now screen. I am using D5300. if you are using 5000 series camera by Nikon, so you'll get rotate screen. So I'm cleaning the screen with the brush first. After that I will take some solution. Don't take too much, little bit is enough. Just 2 to 3 spray and cleaning nicely. Screen, this is the rotate screen. After the wipe screen, certainly don't close the screen because it need to be dry, otherwise you'll get stain. So let it dry. After that you'll get close. You can close it. Now close the screen. I'll take little more solution and clean with the cloths. Your towel also should be very clean. This camera is sensitive, so don't rub it roughly. This is the all ports are there. There you'll get microphone, external mic, and HDMI for the data sinks, and the audio video output jack. Clean with the cloths. Now clean the full body with the cloths. Now I'm going to clean and the flash. So I have to import battery, otherwise not work the flash. So I'm putting battery in the battery compound. Turn it on. Then I'll press the flash switch, so flash can come out. After that, using the brush for the remove dust. Use brush for this flash. Now I'm going to clean my lens. This is the front side of the lens. I keep it aside and plate. This is the copper. This also should be very clean, otherwise if there isn't dust, so it will come easily, can come to your lens. So first you have to clean this cover. After that the lens. I'm using UV filter for this lens. UV filter is very simple. This just protect your lens from the scratches and the dust. I'm clean it for the brush. I'm taking a little bit of solution. Clean with the liquid solution. I keep in a side. Now I'm cleaning the lens. When we're cleaning lens, very careful. This is very sensitive, as I told before. Use the air blower, so if there is a dust, head and dust, so it will come out. Use the cloth so it totally removed nicely. Now I'm closing the lens and attaching my filter.
It's like this. This is regular UV filter. This just protect your lens from the scratches
Now to make the
and other things.
mount.
Now I'm
This
going
guy
to
will attach
mount.
with the camera.
I'm removing this. This is also very sensitive area. First,
Use the air blower.
use the brush. Air blower. This is very sensitive area.
Wipe the
So
cloth.
this side attach with your camera.
This is the sensor.
Here is the point, you can see. There is lots of dots. That means here is the point. That's it.
Close the cap. And now I'm going to attach
Now I'm going to
lens
attach
with my
with my
camera.
camera.
There is a white dot in camera and lens also. You have to adjust this white dot, both white dots together, and
This
then
is the
rotate.
white dot, and this is the white dot. We
You
have
get
to
a sound. That means
put like this.
correctly your lens
Like this.
is attached with your
After
camera.
that,
Now turn on the camera.
yes,
Rotate the
the sound will
screen.
come. Then that means it's ready.
Now my camera is ready to use.
This is now my camera is ready
How
to
it
use.
works. Nicely worked. And thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share, comment,
Ready to
and
use.
subscribe my channel. Thank you for
Thank
today.
you for
See
watching
you in
my
next
video.
video.
See you soon in the next video.